and the night game. LiveOddsSportsBookReview.com. Steelers hit the road to take on the Colts. CG Technology here in Vegas hung a line. Steelers 6-51. Luck's in the concussion protocol. It looks like it's going to be Scott Tolzien getting the start. And based on the short turnaround, Teddy, with what happened Monday, and now the game's Thursday night, I can't see Luck being cleared and being able to go.
No, I mean, everyone talks about the concussion protocol. You know what we did here on Sportsbit? We did some work on the concussion protocol, so you guys know what the hell they're talking about when they say he's in concussion protocol. Okay, step one, rest and recovery. The patient is prescribed rest, limiting or avoiding activities such as electronics, social media, and team meetings until his symptoms and neurologic examination return to their baseline status. Step two, light aerobic exercise. This is everything Andrew Luck's got to do between now and Thursday to get cleared for the game. Step two, light aerobic exercise. The player patient will participate in increased cardiovascular exercise under the direction of the team medical staff, and the exercise may be gradually increased as long as the player remains at a baseline while performing the activity, baseline level, blah, blah, blah. Step three, continued aerobic exercise and introduction of strength training. Step four, football-specific activities. Step five, full football activity / clearance. So he's got to get through each of the first 4 steps before he can participate in the next game or practice. I don't think he's going to get through it by Thursday. I really don't, Paulie. And obviously, the key player for the Indianapolis Colts franchise long-term should not be forced into action when his head is not right.
Tolzien, 2 starts in 2013. He's only thrown 1 pass since then. My God, and he really struggled in Green Bay when he got in there. For the Steelers, skill position players did well in lousy conditions in Cleveland, but maybe Tomlin and Haley, why'd they use Bell so much in a game they had in hand, plus with the short turnaround?
I don't know why they use Bell so much. It really felt like a mismanagement. I mean, it's a smart thing to do. You run a power back in bad weather. Bell, 28 carries for 146 yards on the ground, 8 for 55 receiving. But it also might be a pretty dumb thing to do. Overwork your key running back with a big lead and a short practice week ahead. I wonder if Le'Veon Bell is going to be a step slow here. But the Steelers' passing game could get an edge. It's not just Luck who's in concussion protocol for the Indianapolis Colts. Also, their safety, Clayton Geathers, in protocol, and Vontae Davis, their best cornerback, he was wearing a walking boot at practice on Monday. So, Indy, not just the QB concerns, they've also got concerns in their secondary, and that's not what you want against the Pittsburgh Steelers. Worth noting, that's 6-51. That's the only line I've seen on this game yet. We're probably not going to see anything posted at most sportsbooks until Wednesday at the earliest.
Hey guys, for the full video, go to sbrpicks.com.
So we're giving you picks every day, and you're probably making your own as well. Be sure to participate in SBR's weekly Twitter Bankroll Challenge. Just post your picks on Twitter with @SBRSportsPicks and the hashtag BetSBR before 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every day, Monday through Friday. We'll be betting your picks, and if the bankroll is positive at the end of the week, you could win the profits. Picks must be of events taking place that day and available in at least one of the major sportsbooks shown in our Best Sportsbooks page.